Life in a world that keeps changing. Think that it's progress you're making. Copy and paste pretty faces all the time. Pictures so perfect we play.
Hello wonderful people, welcome back again to Anointed Lady TV, the home of news and politics. And we drop news every day, and we also react to every videos that comes our way. If it is your first time in this channel, you are highly welcome. Thank you so much for stopping by. And if you are returning subscribers, we appreciate you for your massive support, and we say may God richly bless you all for supporting this channel. And if you haven't subscribed, please kindly smash on the subscribe button, put on the bell so you get to know anytime we drop a new video. I have a video to present to you this very moment, and I will be watching that video with you. And after watching, let's drop our opinion constructively at the comment section, like our videos, and also share our videos if possible. Bye for now.
It's as bad as your uniforms. How much are they paying?
We are not talking about. Let's say the truth. Let's say the truth.
You shoot me today and die and go. But my God, you go suffer now. How much is the government paying you? How much are they paying you? How much are they paying you? You shoot me today and die and go. I don't care. This country is lost. I'm a graduate. What did they get from Nigeria? Nothing. United shall never be defeated. The people 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 united shall never be defeated. The people
Buhari, he is sovereign the masses.
Okay, we're still here in the capital city of Abuja, just opposite the Federal Ministry of Justice. The police stopped the protesters and refused that they will march onwards to the National Assembly. After over an hour of an interface between the police and the protesters had to turn back, and they passed the Unity Fountain, moved them back into the Unity Fountain. But they became disappointed as the protesters passed the Unity Fountain and are still marching. It seems to be that the protesters have devised another means. But we are still here like the NSAS memorial is still ongoing. It's still ongoing. The police are coming behind them. We will never forget October 2020. protesters are still coming. Okay, so we're still out on the streets today.
We are here just for the members following the news. Last year, just this time, we lost our brothers and they make it again. So we are out here to for justice.
Okay, so how do you feel that 1 year after the protest, on the day of the memorial being today, the police blocked the protesters again from moving ahead?
I believe because our voice is louder than the gunshot. So by us coming out, we believe they will hear us.
Alright, thank you very much. Protesters are still here, marching on in solidarity in the city of Abuja. Hello, what do you think about the progress of the memorial so far?
Well, it's quite disappointing that we don't have large numbers. But with this on ground, we are moving today. Like it's a memorial. So far we are doing well. Like we remain here and they'll still doing fine.
1 year after the protest, can you say that the demands of the youth have been met by the Nigerian government?
Sincerely, no. Okay. Before I used to have it in mind that maybe there has been progress. But today I'm just hearing again that we still have like 300 people in detention. There are ways we
Are you sure you can verify that fact?
Okay, not verified. But I have some people, from legal practitioners that you can say it's fine.
Grand police, you know, I hear some people saying that they are disappointed at the Nigerian police for being out on the road today to prevent this movement, even though the youths are fighting for them as well. What do you think about that?
Okay. I used to be disappointed, but now I don't have any issue because I got some story from the history of this police department in Nigeria. What I'm not, I cannot fathom here is how neutral person join the police department and become recruited to support the government. So I don't know the United States, how not exactly. The police department is always behind the government. So why are we disappointed?
All right, thank you very much. Thank you. The leaders of the protest are still here, marching on with their people, demanding justice, saying freedom only comes by struggle. Alright, please stay with the Cable Facebook Live. We're going to come back with more updates.